Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to do spot trading on Binance. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a Binance verified account and make sure you have some fund in it to start trading. Okay, this is Reef. This is the coin I'm interested in buying. So all you just need to do, you go to the dashboard. This is the interface. Make a choice. So I'm choosing Reef because I want to buy Reef now. So this is a coin I want to buy. It's a bit fluctuating. It wants to go up and it wants to go down. So I watch it a little. When it comes down bit to this place, I'll buy. Then the next thing you need to do here is click on buy. Okay, if you click on buy on these very places, the next thing that you need to do, you impute your volume. Okay, how much you want to buy with. Okay, all right, let's quickly go into that. I want to watch this to come down here a little, then I stick my trade. Now just watch, because from all indication, all these MA are facing up. It will definitely go up by God's willing. Okay, so once it's coming down, and you can watch it's coming down. Don't forget, once it's red you are losing, and once it's green, if you're in the trade, you're gaining. Okay, so you click on buy. I'll use this 6.9, almost 7 USDT to buy. And top here you see my volume. You see I have 5,007, sorry, because this coin is very low. I always advise you to buy baby coin if you want to buy. So the next thing that you just need to do, impute this. I'm choosing market price because I want to get into the trade immediately. 6.9. Okay, success. Okay, so now I've successfully purchased this very coin. Go to sell. If you go to sell, you see your volume there. Okay, so the volume I've secured there is 5,007, but due to the market price that I put, what I'll be given is 5,002. Okay, so let me show you the PNL. What we mean by PNL is the profit and loss. Okay, if you are gaining, it will indicate there. If you are losing, it will as well indicate there. Okay, now look at under here, go to funds, watch. Now see the reef I just bought. The PNL is 0.18. Okay, the daily PNL here is +1. I've gotten +1 here, and here is 0.18. Is the only reason why this one is 0.18 is because my volume is low. I use just like roughly 7 USDT to purchase this volume. Okay, so this is very simple. This is what you can see. If you are still with me and you are still enjoying this video, please do well to subscribe to my channel and as well give my video a thumbnail in order for it to go viral. Okay, so do well as well to share my videos to friends so that I can really be elevated from this level to another. Okay, so let me show you something brief. Now check this place. You see this trade I just bought is in between, but from all the false indication here, the MA indication here is that it will be going up. Okay, so thank you for watching.